Hey everyone, welcome to How to PC channel. So today I would like to do a little review on Scoopz app. So this is the application which you can install from Play Store or App Store. Let's get started from installing this app. So let's search for Scoopz. And yeah, in the first place, the app you need. So click on it and tap on install. Well, what is this app? Scoopz isn't just about catching news, it's about diving into a sea of stories, all through the vivid and vibrant form of video. From your local scoop to global happenings, and the lifestyle tips in between. Scoopz brings the world closer to you, one clip at a time. So that's how this application looks like. And to be honest, the interface resembles the TikTok app. Now this app is very popular, it has a good rating, 4.6 as you can see. The application finally is installed, let's open it, click on open, and now we need to allow Scoopz to access this device's location. Allow notifications or don't allow, and here choose your interests. So let's choose funny and animal for example, and tap on continue. After that, we can log in or sign up. You can continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with email. So I prefer to continue with Google, click on it, and now choose your Google account. And so finally, we can use the application. Here is the mini tutorial how to use this app. So at the bottom, there are 5 tabs that you can switch between: Home, Discover, the plus icon, notifications, and me. So in this app you can watch other people's video or upload your own. So you can upload your video by clicking on the plus button in the middle at the bottom. Tap here, and here you can upload a video or open camera. So upload a video, allow, and select the necessary video. And now I can edit clip or tap on next. And here we can only crop the video. Okay, let's tap on save at the top right and tap on next. And on the next page you can add location, you can write a description, and after that tap on post at the top right. And yeah, that's how you can upload a video. So let's go to my profile. And yeah, finally our video has been uploaded to the open source. Now everyone can watch it, so let's click here. And yeah, I can like, dislike, or for example write a comment. And the last thing I want to show you is how to edit your profile. So to do it, just go to the Me tab and click here, Edit Profile. And there are a lot of fields. You can change your name, your website, your bio, birth year, and so on. And after that, just tap on save. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and write your comment. Thank you so much. Goodbye.